The next topic of discussion is Simplified, your all-in-one social media toolkit. And it's an amazing one. Simplified is your one-stop shop for social media management. It's like having a team of content creators, marketers, and schedulers working tirelessly to make your social media presence shine. Let's start with signing up for the scene. So this is the Simplified website. It does the job of an AI writer, AI design, AI video, and so on. Generate text, one app to cover everything around social media. We sign up using our Gmail account. I use one of my Gmail accounts. Continue. Okay. And here we are on the dashboard of Simplified. So we have to create a workspace. I create a workspace in the name. Okay, so I create the workspace in the name of my company, Evolve 109. And here we are. So I want to use it for AI design, AI video, AI writer, social media, AI or project management. So AI designer, AI video, AI writer, and social media AI. Let's use it for social media AI as our case is. So this is one of the products. So that is what it's saying. It's that the product activation is in progress. Here you have it. So you have the option to connect your social media accounts, be it Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and so on. So prompting. So example, let's say you are promoting a sustainable fashion brand. That's a new line of eco-friendly clothing on Instagram. And let's see how Simplified can help you create engaging content. We start with opening Simplified and select this action you want to take. Input a brief description of your post, such as new sustainable fashion collection made from recycled materials, stylish and eco-conscious. Once done, you have the option to generate hashtags. Let's see. So we create with AI post generator, thumbnail maker, AI ads, AI carousel maker, and meme. So we go with the first one. So here it is, select target accounts. Since I have my Facebook page connected, it's coming up. The topic is new sustainable fashion collection made from recycled materials, stylish and eco-conscious. So I need a short caption for the post on this topic, and the magic is in progress. Now let's go back once again. Let's see. A short caption for the post for new sustainable fashion and so on, and I hit on generate. We have some advanced settings which we'll look at later. And here we have the posts created. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 different posts scheduled at 7 different times are created from 5th of June to. So this is the post with good hashtags. So we have generate hashtags. We have the option to generate more hashtags. We can create snippets. So you see some more of good hashtags are getting created. So we have some amazing hashtags here. We can add snippets. We can add emojis. We don't have any snippet added yet. Go ahead, click on it and add it. So that's not needed. Add a media. You can add an image, a video, whatever you want to add to your post, and you can simply click on it and it just publishes on the scheduled time. That's 5th of June, 10 a.m. It will schedule it for then. Navigate to the post scheduler tab. Select a desired social media platform. Choose the date and time you want your post to go live. Add your image, selected caption and hashtags, and click on schedule. So here I have it, all of them. 5th of June, 6th of June, 7th of June, 8th of June, 9th of June, 10th of June, and 11th of June. At different times of the day with different posts, different contents created with different hashtags and all of that. Now you see all of them got scheduled. When we see a tick mark, that means all of them got scheduled. Here I have it. So all of these posts are scheduled. If I click, I can have the option to edit. I can save the post, change the time to schedule it, and then save it back again. You can, from the calendar directly, you can hit on the plus icon, add a post, add an event, and do the same like we just did. Okay. We use the AI assistant to create the post. On the left, we write the instructions and the post gets created. That's scheduling from the calendar. Simplified goes beyond just captions and hashtags, and we already saw that. Content calendar, plan and visualize your social media content in advance. Analytics, track your past performance and gain insights into what resonates with your audience. Collaborating seamlessly with your team on content creation and scheduling. With Simplified by your side, you can transform your social media strategy from chaotic to cohesive. Say goodbye to last minute scrambles and hello to a streamlined data driven approach to social media content creation. So, what are you waiting for? Unleash the power of Simplified and watch your social media engagement soar. We will talk a lot about Simplified in the next couple of videos, but for now, we are done and we move on to the next topic.